Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to upload a Behance project. All right, let's begin. First, sign in to your Behance account to access all upload features. Once you are logged in, go to the top of the home page and click the Share Your Work button. From the options, select Project to start creating a new upload. Next, focus on adding your content. On the right side, you will see the Add Content panel. From here, you can upload images, videos, text, or embeds. You can also import work directly from Lightroom or Creative Cloud. As you add items, you can rearrange them by hovering over the content, clicking the Edit icon, choosing Reorder, and dragging everything into the correct order. When uploading images, use JPEG or PNG formats for best quality. Keep image sizes optimized, convert files to RGB, and ensure individual files stay within the size limits. For videos, you can upload files directly or embed them from YouTube or Vimeo for a cleaner, full-width display. After adding content, move to the project settings. Set your cover image, title, creative field, and relevant tags. Review everything using Preview, then click Publish to make your project live. So that's basically how you can upload a Behance project. That's it for this video. Thanks.